Philippines, we have most of our items that we need for building the PC. It's nothing but high quality products, as you can see here. So let's open this thing up and see if we have a manual in here, which would be nice to have. Alright, so we got screws on the back. They have the nice thumb screw type plastic knurled knobs, so easy to take your screws out. We're going to open it up now. Yeah, sorry, it made a lot of noise. And there's your case. Nice plastic clear cover once I take the wrapping material off of it. Here's the inside of your case. Here comes, this is the manual that it comes with. It also comes with screws in here, usually for the motherboard. These are all your cables that go up toward the front of the machine for your LED light, for your hard drive, your power switch, your reset switch, your audio in and out. Your side covers have nice little pull tabs here, so that you can take the side cover off. You have a nice open hole on the back side, so if you need to, you can get to the spacer or the support bracket on the back of your motherboard for your CPU cooler if you're going to replace it. Also, there's extra space, extra holes in and out of the case over here, so that you can do cable management, and there's space on the back side for that. There actually is a screen here, so when you mount your 220mm fans at the front, that they'll help keep the dust down. Also, for the power supply, the bottom mount power supply, they have a mesh screen down at the bottom so it doesn't pull the lint and dust in from the bottom for the power supply when you mount that. So with this case, it was fairly inexpensive. I think about 1,500 pesos I paid. So it seemed like they thought about a lot of things with this case. On the front you have a removable drive bay in case you're using a longer, very long video card. So this unit comes with the manual. It also actually comes with a tiny PC speaker so you can hear the computer boot up and go beep. And a bunch of screws here for you to install your motherboard. Right there. A lot of screws. This appears to be a really nice little manual for the PC case. And then that's the back side with the more pictures. So for the case at the front, for you to install your 220mm fans if you decide to do so. I have a couple here. I actually ordered what's called the PC Cool 3-in-1 kit. They have like 72 CFM. There are 3 120mm RGB fans. I'm going to be putting 2 of them in the front and then 1 at the top. So to remove the front cover, you're going to pull at the bottom and it's really tight and snug. And now you can see the filter that's on the front to keep your dust and dirt out of there when the fans are running. You'll be placing your fans in there like that, and then the second one will go all the way up at the top area. You can see there's plenty of air flow. You have plenty of vents here for your airflow. Now on the back of the computer, this has a screw right here that you loosen up, and then your holder comes out just like that. So when you get your cards in here, video card in here, and set down in place, you just place it back down in here. There's a little hole right there, an alignment hole, and an alignment hole there. And you just put these 2 little tabs. You have a tab there and a tab here. Slide them into that spot like that, set it back down, and then You just basically put your screw back into place. Now there's a screw hole for each expansion card or slot, PCI Express or whatever you have putting in your computer, for each card. So instead of putting the screws in from the inside like you used to and drop them all the time and then you can't get them out, you got to take the whole assembly apart. Screws for this are on the outside for your tabs for your cards. It took them many years to figure that problem out. So there you have it, the Raidmax brand Vortex V5 gaming case. It is a pretty nice thought out design for the case. So that's the end of the video about the Raidmax V5 Vortex gaming PC case. I like it. It's a little bit light in weight, not real heavy, not that strong, but what do you need in a gaming case anyway? It's not like you're going to pick it up and throw it around. You just want to make sure everything's placed in there securely and everything functions correctly. Would I recommend it? Definitely. Especially for the price. Lazada, I paid $14.50 plus $200 or $300 for shipping. Still, it's a great value. So, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, click the like button, and give me some comments. Maybe I can do something better. I'm always open for a positive suggestion. And don't forget, no matter what you're doing it with somebody else.